through here, all the way through here. Cool. And all across our fence line. Massive pool over here. Then into our lawn.